So guys, just so you know, this is not a guarantee. So you just want to create a backup just in case. Make sure you back up your important files to like an external hard drive, USB flash drive, something like that. So for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on reset PC. And now you want to select keep my files. This is going to remove your apps and settings but keep your personal files. But as I mentioned earlier, this is not guaranteed, so just in case, make a backup. However, if you were going to reset your PC and you did want the best chance of keeping your files, you should then go with this option. So now you want to select keep my files, wait for this to load, and now to reinstall Windows, you could either go with cloud download or local reinstall. I'm going to be going with local reinstall, and now you want to click on next, wait for this to load, and then once we're here, it's going to be telling you what's going to happen. So resetting will, change settings back to their defaults, keep your personal files, reinstall Windows from this device if you selected that, and it's going to remove all apps and programs. However, it will keep your personal files like your documents, your pictures, etc. If you want to view the applications that are going to be removed, you want to click on this. It's then going to show you a list of it. And then once you're happy with all this, you want to click on reset. It's then going to reset your computer, and it should most likely keep your personal files. But as I mentioned earlier, you should still make a backup of them.